Welcome to Kwon's Corner. Today, we're gonna do something different. It's freaking loud, I can't film. We're gonna do something different. We're gonna go to the place that I never been. Okay? This place is a lot of people in it. I don't even know how to film this. It's pretty loud because we're at the near mechanic place. It's like old Korean town. I really like this neighborhood. All their signs and a building, it looks so old and I feel like I'm living in my childhood. And today, we're gonna go to the Dabang. I mentioned it in an earlier episode. It's a traditional Korean coffee shop and it looks like that. Oh my god, it looks so old. I feel like I've never been there and I don't know what it's gonna be like. I only saw it from the drama, so we're gonna find it out together. So let's get started. I'm in front of the coffee shop and it's called Dabang, which is a Sangjin coffee shop. And I'm super excited. It looks so old. Look at the gate. It looks, I don't know, kind of scary. Let's try to go in. Oh my gosh. Do you know like old building smell? Like a really cold and spooky? That's how I feel. I don't know if it's good or not, but I feel like I'm in a ghost town or something. It looks so old. Oh my god, look at the door. Super old. Oh, there's someone. There's someone. I'm not sure I can film though. Let me check. Oh my god, it's so freaking old. 안녕하세요. 영업해요?
네, 들어오세요.
근데 이거 촬영 조금 해도 돼요? 그냥 유튜브 촬영 좀 해도 돼요? 네. 네. She says okay, so let's go in. Oh my god, it's freaking old. Oh my gosh. 다방 처음 와봐요, 사장님. 다방 찾다가 여기 나오길래. 아, 그래요? 그럼 엄청 유명한 데네요. They were in the What's Up, man.
Really?
Yeah, I didn't know that. Oh, cool. 사장님 포스터 찍으셨네요.
매수를 하시는 분들이
네.
기자가 오셔가지고 저렇게 좀 찍어서 해주셨어요.
엄청 멋쟁이. 사장님 얼굴 나오셔도 돼요?
네,
예, 예. 사장님 엄청 멋쟁이에요. 와, 진짜 패셔너블 하세요. I feel like I'm in a movie set right now. It's like super old. Yeah, I feel like in a Korean drama movie set.
촬영하러 많이들 오시더라고.
아, 그래요? 얼마나 됐어요?
이게 생긴 지는 40년 됐고
40년?
내가 한 지는 25년.
It has very old school aesthetic because it's actually old, older than me. Oh my gosh. If you ever go to the Dabang usually don't have a lot of menu options. And in this Dabang, there are only 3 things that we can get. ssanghwacha, coffee, chick jib. What's the chick in English? I'm gonna put the picture here. It's some kind of root and it's supposed to be really healthy. And we're here for try everything. Try everything. We came actually here for the ssanghwacha, but there's only 3 options, so I really want to try everything.
You want to explore this place first?
Yeah. My grandma used to have this kind of clock at home.
Really?
Yeah. Really?
It's called the grandfather clock.
No freaking way, really? It's so faded. That's super funny though. Why is she there? No pain, no gain. Love you, Cindy.
XOXO. What is it?
This machine is boiling the cup. If you boil the cup, tea will stay hot longer and it will sanitize the cup. Never seen it in my life though. I only saw it from the drama. That's very cool. I'm gonna order one by one so I can give you full experience. Which one should I have first? I came here for ssanghwacha, so I'm gonna save it for the last. So I'm gonna order coffee first, I guess. Dabang coffee is really famous. Dabang coffee is known for really cold and sweet. It's really different than a normal coffee shop coffee, so I wanna have it. 저 사장님, 다방 커피 하나 일단 주실 수 있어요? 네. 아, 거기 뜨거운 물도 나와요?
네.
Oh my god, it's coming. Oh my god, you look so Dabang coffee. When I was young, my mom used to make me Dabang coffee at home. She didn't used to make me coffee a lot because if kids drink coffee, they're not gonna grow tall because they can't sleep. That's what my mom said. So she only let me taste it a little bit. So she make her coffee really sweet and always said Dabang coffee. But I never actually had a coffee at Dabang, so I'm gonna compare with my memory. 고맙습니다. It smells like my mom's coffee. That's very interesting. Maybe that's why she called it as a Dabang coffee. Oh my gosh, I really like it. It's like 이걸 뭐라고 설명하냐. It's like my childhood. It's the bitter, but still sweet. It's a lot sweeter than what you're thinking. And I used to have this during summer and my mom used to make me. I miss my mom now. And it also tastes like dalgona coffee without whipping and a little sweeter. That's what I feel like. 네네. 배달 가시는 거예요? 아, 요즘도 배달해요?
이거 마시고 이따가 나중에
이거 하나씩 다 먹어봐요.
요거, 아니,
쌍화차? 알겠어요. 다녀오세요, 사장님. 지키고 있을게요. 손님 오면 접대하고 있을게요. When I was young, my mom used to make this with a big jar. Like, oh, if American makes like a lemonade jar and a store at the fridge, my mom used to make this at home and make a big jar. And she used to drink it a lot during summer because electricity was really expensive and we had an air conditioner, but she didn't turn it on a lot because she wanna save money. So instead of turning on the AC, she used to drink a lot. I feel like I'm at 7 years old. Like, 엄마, 한 입만 먹어보면 안 돼? 한 입만. 달다. That's how I feel. I almost finished it already. Oh my god. As far as I know from my mom, the ratio of this coffee is 1-1-1. 1 sugar, 1 coffee, 1 cream. That's the ratio. So if you wanna ever make it at home, follow the ratio. Next, we're gonna have a chick chip. I looked it up while I was waiting and it's called arrowroot. And they make it as a juice because Korean like really healthy stuff. 사장님, 칡즙 하나 주실 수 있어요? 칡은 어디에 좋아요, 사장님? 이거 몸에 좋은 거죠?
그렇지 뭐 간에 뭐 좋다고
아, 농축액을 저렇게 팔구나. 몰랐어요.
이거는 시중에 살 수도 없겠지? 그거 없어요니까.
It's for the restaurant, so normal customer cannot buy it. As they only sell it for the. 오, 검었네요. 저는 약간 회색, 흰색, 약간 약간 그 느낌일 줄 알았는데.
이거는 기계에서 이렇게 짜는 거.
예. Gosh, it was super interesting. When I think of the word, I thought it's gonna be like gray, like whitish gray, because that's what chick dip is like. But it's the black. Oh my god, it's super interesting. I think I never had it in my life, so I don't know what it's like.
둘이 같이 먹어.
네, 고맙습니다. She gave me 2 strokes for one for Sarah and one for me. To have a little romantic time. Romantic time? Did I make you randy, baby? Oh, it smells so earthy. So rich, very strong flavor. It starts with the really strong root flavor and aftertaste is a little sweet. I thought this texture will be so liquidy, but I can feel the like a little thickness of the liquidy. It's a little thicker than a normal liquid. That's what I would say. Syrupy, yeah, a little syrupy. You know what's crazy? It kinda tastes like Coke. It's like a Coke, but they took out the bubbly and they make it a little more syrupy and a little more bitter, healthy, and for medicine. And that's what this is. So good. I guess I'm old. I like healthy stuff. When I was young, I hated healthy stuff. When my mom said it's so healthy, I say no. I hate healthy stuff. But now I like it. Flavor is so much stronger than a Coke. It's like a Coke in a cocaine.
Yeah, there used to be cocaine in Coke. That's why it's called Coke.
No freaking way!
Yeah.
Really? Coke has a cocaine?
It used to.
You used to have a cocaine?
It was medicine.
Oh, didn't know it. Oh my god, I didn't know it. I'm learning so much. YouTube teach me a lot.
Hey, I teach you.
Thank you. Yeah, so it is like a coke on steroid or cocaine. It's so good. Anyone who likes coke will love this, so you should definitely try. Oh, maybe I should just get the arrowroot from the fresh one and I should make a smoothie out of it. It tastes super good. I really like coffee. Like Stop. I'm talking right now. I really like cafe or coffee, like Western stuff. Before I came here, I thought this was just for filming and experiencing and I will not come again. But I feel like even if I don't film, I will just enjoy and having a harabaji time. That's how I feel. It's so my aesthetic.
That's your grandpa?
Yeah.
That's it? No words? Just
That's what my dad do a lot. When I don't listen to my dad or when I do something he doesn't like me to do, he's like, That's me and a grandpa.
Are you gonna start smoking with your grandpa?
Yeah.
Sounds fun.
I make a dalgona for my kid. And if they don't listen to me, I'm gonna say,
That's the only thing you say.
I don't talk anything. I don't talk anything. Okay, I'm gonna try to talk like a grandpa when I order ssanghwacha. Last one, but not the least, ssanghwacha. This is what I came for. I think I never had a real one. I had a like convenience store one, but I never had a real ssanghwacha. So I'm gonna order. 사장님 그 쌍화차 하나. 쌍화차에 계란 들어가죠? 한 번도 안 먹어봤어요 사장님. 아 그래요? 사장님 잘 만들었어요 그렇죠? 오, 이것도 되게 오래된 것 같네요. 세월의 흔적이 딱 느껴지네요. 노른자만 쓰는 거죠?
우리 태어나기 전에 한 옛날에 조선시대 옛날
네.
한 옛날에 먹을 게 없잖아.
네.
그러니까 약도 제대로 없고 다 식이요법을 했잖아.
네네.
근데 없는 사람들은 결혼도 제대로 못 먹었잖아.
네.
그러니까 이 견과류하고 이게 보양.
옛날엔 이게 밥 대용으로도 먹기도 했죠.
그렇죠.
견과류가 많이 들어가네.
네, 견과류. 그렇죠. 그러니까는 견과류는 지금도 사람들이 많이 먹잖아.
네네.
땅콩 넣고, 고추 넣고, 깨도 넣고.
오, 많이 들어가네요.
네, 이거는 나이의 비법이니까 이거 조금 넣어주는.
그건 뭔데요, 비법이?
이거는 저 계란 비린내나지만 넣어주는 거고.
뭔지는 안 가르쳐줘요?
이거는
비밀?
생강가루 좀 넣고.
네.
요렇게.
아, 그거 아까 좀 넣은 거 안 가르쳐준 거 넣으면 계란 비린내가 안 나요? 근데 뭔지는 안 가르쳐주고. 그럴 수 있죠. 오, 향.
예. 그렇죠.
네. 향 장난 아닌데요?
찍고
네. 네. 계란부터 먹어야 되는 거 맞죠?
아니 이거 견과류를 먼저 먹고 이게 뜨거우니까
네.
견과류 먹고 나오면 좀 식을 거 아니야.
네.
그때 계란을 요 앞에 와 있잖아. 그때는.
네. 계란 안 섞어요?
아니 섞지 마.
계란만 호로록?
그렇죠.
Oh my god, it smells so amazing. It's so 고소하다, so toasted and nutty. 맛있구만. She told me I have to eat the egg yolk at once. I shouldn't mix the egg yolk with the tea, so I'm gonna get the egg yolk. If you mix the egg yolk, oh my gosh, it's gone. She put the secret sauce to get rid of the egg smell, and it's not smelly at all. It's just like swimming down through my throat, and only thing I feel is like a smooth creaminess and a little nutty, and it's super good. Look at it, so much nuts. Oh my god. I can taste the taste so much. Flavor is super complex. Like as far as I know, you need like 9 or 10 different like medicinal herb to make this tea. It's super complex and I cannot explain. It's so yin-yang and medicine-y. What I like about this tea is there's so many different textures. I feel like it's drinking a soup more than a tea. Oh my god, super good. It tastes like coffee bread or pecan pie or cinnamon roll or banana bread. It's like a sweet but super nutty, a little syrupy and tastes super good. And I really like the hint of the jujube. It's one of my favorite tastes in here. It's like I taste like a 5 different or 6 different flavor in my mouth, like peanuts, sunflower seed, jujube, ginger. Everyone's saying like I'm here, like so complex but making harmony at the same time. And also, this is really healthy. Ssanghwacha means, sang means couple, hwa means balance or yin yang, and cha means tea. So this tea balances your chakra or chi or energy or aura. So in long time ago, the book called Dongyi Bogam, it mentioned that king used to drink this tea early in the morning right after he had a night with the queen. Sarah, I'm drinking it. Nowadays, people drink this tea to boost their immune system and cure the cold. I feel like I'm getting healthy drinking this tea. 옛날엔 말이야, 내가 전쟁에서 말이야. Let's have a little history lesson with the tea. Bring all your tea right now and let's have a story time. People used to call Dabang 약속 Dabang. 약속 is appointment, Dabang is a coffee shop, so it's called appointment coffee shop because people used to have all their appointment at Dabang. And that time, there was no cell phone at all. So people used to call Dabang if they have to change the plan. So owner would ask if you have any appointment because they all I can't do it with that voice because they kept track all their appointments. 안녕하세요. 사장님 지금 배달 가셨는데 앉아 계시면 곧 오실 거예요. Yeah, I know. But I gotta protect her shop. So Dabang was like answering machine before the answering machine. Isn't that crazy? I'm gonna order one more coffee because it was really good and I miss my mom and she's in Daegu and I can't meet her. If you ever visit Korea, you should definitely visit here. I'm gonna put the location link down below. If there's any Korean place that you guys want me to show you, please comment down below. Then I'll make sure to cover it in a future episode. What time is it? It's time to announce Jingle of the Week. Jingle of the Week is Lia Lelia. If I'm pronouncing it wrong, I'm so sorry. She tried my pajan and it looks super delicious. Keep cooking delicious food, and if you're cooking my food, please tag me. See you next week. 안녕. Oh, by the way, I have my website and a Patreon, so you should check it. Bye bye. Before I end the video, I wanna thank my Patreon. Thank you so much guys. Because of you guys, I can make a bigger and better content. Thank you so much Mechanoman and Krista. Thank you. Bye bye. If you like this episode, please subscribe and the like button. And if you wanna see more video, it's over there and over there. And if you have any requests, please comment down below. I'll make sure to cover it in a future episode. See you next week. 안녕!